Hi, I'm James Burry with STKR Concepts, and today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to add security or accent lighting to the outside of your home. And I'm going to do it without any electrical wiring or drilling into the side of your house. Let's get started. Today I'm going to be installing our Easy Home Security solar lights. We've got two models, the floodlight and the spotlight. Now, what makes setting up these lights so easy is they will mount to any gutter in your home. And again, they're solar, so no drilling into your home, no electric wiring. Just mount it to any gutter, and then there's two screws. Tighten up those screws, as you can see right here. Once you get them tight, all you've got to do is wait for the sun to go down, and these lights will turn on instantly when it's dark. Now I'm also mounting the spotlight version. These have dual flexible spotlights and lenses that you can zoom so you can push the light out further or make it broader. I'm going to put this one on the corner of my house, so I'll mount this on the gutter, tighten these guys down, and then I'm going to take this spotlight and I'm going to put it over on my deck this direction, and I'll make sure that that lens is nice and wide because it's a close area. But I'm going to push this one off to the corner of my yard, and since it's a little bit further away, I'm going to push that lens out a little bit, and you're going to see that it'll push the light even further. Again, that's all I need to do. As soon as the sun goes down, this is going to turn on. No electrical wiring, no drilling into the house, super easy. Mission accomplished. As you can see, I've got both the spotlight and the floodlight mounted up on my gutter, and I'll tell you, it's lighting up my deck wonderfully. In fact, I'm also lighting up my yard out there. So if you want to light up your home without any electrical wiring, no drilling into the home, and all powered by the sun, definitely check out the Easy Home Security Solar Light by STKR Concepts.